Mr. Carruthers, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 2nd, 2024, officers were dispatched regarding a major crash in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officers made contact with the wheel witness. The witness observed the defendant's 2005 gold Chevy strike an unknown person riding a bike with his vehicle.
Whoa.
Bike, yes, Your Honor.
Struck a person?
Riding a bike, yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The defendant then got out of his vehicle and began assaulting the unknown person and then drove away from the scene.
Whoa.
Wait, did you catch that? The defendant not only hit someone with his car, but then allegedly got out and assaulted them. That's double jeopardy in bad decisions. In legal terms, this jumps from a possible DWI to a violent offense, which...
You're telling me he strikes someone in a car and then on top of it starts assaulting this person?
Yes, Your Honor. The unknown person fled the scene, and the defendant was promptly found by officers 1 block away in a private driveway. That was not the defendant's residence. Upon contact with the defendant, the officer observed an odor of an alcoholic beverage, slurred speech, and poor balance. The defendant was detained. He refused SFSTs. The DIC was read. The defendant refused to provide a specimen. A blood search warrant was signed and executed. He was identified by his Texas driver's license.
I have just so many problems with this.
So, Judge, we have been unable to locate the unknown person that was on the bicycle. He fled because he was getting assaulted. We have no way of finding him.
Not only that, how do I know he's not consuming anything after the fact? How do we know he doesn't go home and chug a fifth of vodka?
The DIMS does say he was promptly found by the officers 1 block away.
I get it. Yeah, I get it. Promptly is a conclusory word.
I'm pulling up the OR right now, Judge, to see if they have anything more specific.
Can I say something now? Don't, Mr. Carruthers. Don't. Are you losing? Are you losing?
No.
Then stop. Anything else? Was that it?
Looking at times, Your Honor, to see if we can establish.
Judge Fleischer isn't just making a ruling here. He's giving a wake-up call. Notice how he personalizes it. Don't kill someone. It's part of his courtroom style. Tough love mixed with real-world advice. What do you think? Should more judges speak like this, or is this too emotional for the bench?
When he was found based on when he was dispatched. I don't think we have anything additional, Your Honor.
It says, yeah.
Mr. Carruthers, I'm going to find no probable cause on your case. You know, we have enough death. We have enough dismemberment. We have enough blood all over our streets. Please don't add to it. Please just don't kill someone. That's all I'm asking you to do, man. You know, $40, an Uber will take you anywhere you want to go in this county. Anywhere. Please don't kill someone. Take a seat, please. Hi.
So, I have 2 clients I need to post for. The first one is Gallegos. So he did do his drug test, but it's today. It did come positive
For
for THC, but I wanted to see if we can allow the actual results coming back from the labs, because my client was quite surprised about
okay, so we'll put it off 3 days, 4 days.
5 days.
Yeah, it takes about 5 to 7 days, depending
Okay,
on how.
we'll set it off a week. It's okay.
And then my other client, Your Honor, is Mr. Yandel.
What's the last name?
Yandel.
Is that,
Fernandez,
okay?
I'm going to address the bond that's set at 10,000 right now.
Page 32, Judge.
Yeah, thanks.
Judge, do you want to know? If I'm addressing it?
Yeah, yeah, because I don't know anything about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Fernandez.
And hold on, oh, and let me just do this real quick, this arraignment. While they're bringing him out, I'm gonna do an arraignment. All right. Are you Mr. Fernandez?
Yes, sir.
Morning, Mr. Fernandez.
Morning.
Sir, you're charged with terroristic threat of a family or a household member. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The reason you're out now is your bond is set at $10,000, which is unusually high for a misdemeanor. I don't know why, but she's asking for a bond reduction. I'd like to know what happened in the case and we'll go from there. Okay.
On March 5th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a family disturbance type call at a residence in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer made contact with the defendant. And the complainant, the defendant's mother, was trying to make him leave the house because she felt like her life was in danger due to his behaviors and threats he made to kill her with a gun. The complainant provided text message from the defendant's therapist. The defendant also told his brothers about the threats. The defendant showed his 14-year-old brother pictures of guns and stated all of his friends have guns. The brother felt in danger. The defendant admitted he made multiple threats in the past of killing his mother with a gun.
So,
Did I hear a specific threat?
Not directly to the mother, but he had threatened to kill the mom to other people in the
But
family.
that's not, but a terroristic threat has to be aimed to a specific person
Yes.
and there has to be immediacy.
And my response to that would be that it was aimed towards the mother, threats to kill with guns while showing pictures of guns that his friends have access to shows immediacy. And to show intent to put her in fear would be a question for the jury of whether he intended to make her feel fear, whether or not it was directly to her or to others.
so I,
Where the threat is.
So, I mean, so he told his brothers that he was going to kill his mother.
And
That is what the complainant stated. I don't have a time. Oh, wait. As per mother, the last time the defendant had made those threats was 2 days ago. So on March 3rd.
that's not even it.
no, this has to be, it's something where, I'm going to kill you and now, it's not, hey man, I'm going to do this in a couple days, when I get up to it, because I'm kind of lazy. I got shit I need to do. It don't work like that.
I understand. I'm just concerned, so.
Gotta be careful. You got but one life. How was jail?
I
Sucks,
did.
right?
Yeah.
I mean, we're not asking for much. All the knuckleheads that have guns that run in the street, they're gonna end up in here one day. That's all. I tell you, go start asking anybody when you get back to the tank, Really, life is too short to live in a box like this. You don't need a gun. How old are you?
Just turned 18 on March 5th.
You don't need a gun. Get your ass back into school, man. Knowledge is power. You want to make some money? Learn something. She's amazing. Look at her. How much money you make? Don't answer that. She makes a crap load of money because she knows things.
Yeah.
That's what life's about. Fancy vacation, nice cars, these big ass beaches, blue water. That's what life's about. But you get it in school by gaining knowledge, not with a gun, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna find no probable cause. Do something, man.
Sure.
Get back into school, learn something.
He's in school, so he needs to finish school.
Yeah.
Hey,
He's going to
you're
do.
gonna get out today. Be somebody.
Yes, sir.
You're not a statistic. All right.
Thank you, Your
Thanks.
Honor.
Good morning, Judge. I got appointed this morning to Mr. Butler, first name Philander. Honor, he has a pending felony case. However, I did see that he made bond on that one, and this is the only thing that's keeping him in custody right now.
What would you like to know?
Your Honor, and realistically, I talked to him to see if there's any means for his family or friends to go ahead and pay this bond, which I ultimately would be around 100. He didn't provide any information on that. He's actually not sure how he made bond on his felony
You
case.
got a PR bond on it. So it looks like he picked up a UUMV, February 24th. And now he's picked up a misdemeanor theft. I guess they haven't gone back or looked. I don't know what they're going to do. He's set for 331 on that case. I don't know if they're going to yank the bond on that or not. I don't know. But he wants me to give him a PR bond.
Yes, Your Honor. I do have contact information. I have an address for him as well.
Hey, Deputy Miranda, do you mind bringing up Mr. Butler? Yeah. Give me a second. Let me do an arraignment real quick and then we'll talk to Mr. Butler. How's jail?
Not good.
Great. That makes me happy because the harder time you have, the more we have them for a reason. Here's the rub. Your lawyer is asking for me to give you a PR bond in this case.
That's it.
You were on bond for an unauthorized use of a motor vehicle,
That's it.
and now you've picked up a theft case. I have no idea what happened on the theft case. We're going to figure out what happened real quick, and then we'll talk about your bond.
That's it.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You're facing a Class B theft, so it's up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine.
On March 7th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to a theft call at a Target in Harris County, Texas. The defendant was observed on surveillance video placing merchandise in a black suitcase he also obtained from the business and crossed all points of sale without attempting to pay. The defendant was detained without incident. The total value of items stolen was $355.46.
So you said he also has a lot of
No, that was Mr. Phillips.
oh, Mr. Phillips has that account.
Yes.
Miss Keela Lee,
How old is Mr. Butler?
He's 25 years old, Your Honor.
Miss Keela Lee,
Miss Lee,
And Judge, I was looking, I did not see any sort of history of him not showing up for court or any sort of bond forfeitures on his previous cases.
The problem is you keep picking stuff up. Stop. I don't want you to say, but my problem are two things. Number one, sometimes people are their own worst enemies and they continue to pick cases up there. They're just, it can't stop. I don't know. But you, Mr. Butler, you're 25 and you have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now you're on your 13th and 14th case. And a lot of these are very serious felony cases.